Go ahead, pour it in. Whoa! Look at all that lava. Good job, Hazel.
Can we do it again?
Yeah, we could do it again. Whoa! Sure, do it again. Go for it. Whoa! Good job on your volcano. That's cool. Glittercano.